In this lesson, you will learn how to use combinFormation. combinFormation is a creativity support tool designed to help you search, browse, collect, organize, author, and think about information. Instead of displaying information in a linear list, combinFormation uses a holistic form, information composition. An information composition assembles a set of images and text clippings to represent an idea or set of ideas. We call an image or text clipping a surrogate. A surrogate is a clipping enhanced with metadata from the web page where it was found. It serves as a visual bookmark to an idea. When designing an information composition, you convey relationships and connections between surrogates. Altogether, they convey a message about your thinking. By the end of this how-to video, you'll be able to use combinFormation to create your own information composition. So this is the combinFormation launch page. You can find the launch page at this address. We recommend using Firefox along with a Firefox extension called Interface Ecology Lab Tools. This extension makes drag and drop from Firefox to combinFormation work better. If it's your first time using combinFormation, it will ask you if you want to install Firefox and the extension if you're not already using them. We're going to start off by specifying a set of search queries known as seeds on the Mix launch page. Today I'm going to make a composition about my dream house. I can choose from many search engines for each seed, so I'll select Google for ceiling fans, Yahoo and Wikipedia for eco-friendly flooring, and Bing and Google for home solar energy panels. Then I'll choose full screen and hit launch. combinFormation will present a blank information composition. It begins crawling the internet, and the composition agent will start placing relevant surrogates in the hot space. You collect and compose information in the cool space in the center of the screen. combinFormation will not place new information here. When you hover over a surrogate, additional information is available known as in-context metadata. Here we can see the caption of the image, its title and description, the URL of the web page where the image was found, the query used to find the page, and the product's price, rating, and reviews. While we were thinking about the fan metadata, an interesting rooftop solar panel surrogate appeared in the composition's hot space. I'll drag it to the cool space to save it. The Navigate button allows you to go to the page from which the surrogate was extracted. Information resources can also be collected manually from the web or from your computer. To do this, you can simply drag and drop information from the browser to combinFormation. Drag and drop works for both images and text, or any combination of the two. You can also change the navigation link for a surrogate by dragging a web page location onto it. The buttons at the bottom right allow you to control the composition agent. When combinFormation is paused, no surrogates will be added or removed from the hot space. combinFormation works to collect and compose information on your behalf. How does it know what you want? Interest expression is a mechanism for telling combinFormation what matters to you. When hovering over a word in a text surrogate or in metadata, an in-context slider will appear. Use the slider to express more or less interest in the word. This directs combinFormation to find more or less documents or surrogates with that word. Each surrogate also has a small circle on the left that can be used to express interest in the surrogate itself. By the slider, you can see the words that combinFormation associates with that surrogate. The tag cloud window visualizes your current interests and allows you to change them using the in-context slider. After I increase my interest in fluorescent and LED lighting, I will reset the hot space, hit play, and lighting-related surrogates start to appear. Most images placed by combinFormation are translucent by default to help you collage them together. To turn this off, hover over an image and uncheck the translucency box. You can also shift-click on a surrogate to bring it to the top layer. Surrogates can be resized using the handles in the corners. Hold Shift and drag the handles to change the aspect ratio. You can use the Hide Hot Space Elements button if you want to focus on the information you have collected in the cool space without deleting the hot space elements. I can organize the information that I have collected more easily. Then when I'm ready, press the button again to unhide the hot space. To protect surrogates from being automatically removed, you can move them to the cool space or use the latch button. Even if you use the hot space reset button, the element will remain. When a surrogate is latched, it will not be removed unless you delete it. The slider next to the play button controls the composition agent's speed. Drag it to the left to slow down. The slider at the top right controls the image-text ratio of surrogates placed by combinFormation in the hot space. Drag right to get more text surrogates. Drag left to get more images. With combinFormation still open, you can replace the seeds by changing them on the launch page. I'll delete the original seeds and this time search for kitchens on Wikipedia. Then hit launch and select replace seeds. Notice how the tag cloud window has changed. When I hit play, kitchen images and text start to appear. When you hover over a text surrogate, the first button lets you change the background and font color. You can bold, italicize, and underline, or change background outline style. There are also options to change font, font size, and text alignment. The text tool allows you to create your own text surrogates for labels and annotations. Using labels is a good way to help organize your information composition. Notice how I use the font size, weight, and background color to distinguish labels from annotations and text surrogates. When you save the composition from the File menu, combinFormation will create several files: a thumbnail and a full-sized JPEG image of the composition, a folder with local copies of image surrogates, an HTML version of the composition that allows you to view surrogate metadata and navigate to the source web page, and an XML file that is used to reopen the composition within combinFormation. To reopen a composition, launch combinFormation without any seeds, select Open from the File menu and choose the XML file. Or open the HTML file in Firefox and click the Launch combinFormation link at the bottom. You're now ready to start making your own information compositions. In my finished composition, I developed my original idea for my dream house and connected all of the different elements together with this emergent idea of eco-sumptuous design. This is my new idea that all aspects of the house can be elegant and comfortable while remaining affordable and environmentally friendly. I was able to search, collect, and compose the information in one workspace, and the hot space provided valuable provocative stimuli and unexpected juxtapositions, which made the process of ideation much easier. I highly encourage you to try out combinFormation for yourself, and I hope you will come up with many new ideas while making your own information compositions. Good luck, have fun, and be creative.